Obviously, we are doing a full face of M Cosmetics. The first thing I want to try is the brow product. This is called the Micro Fluff Sculpting Brow Cream, and I got this in the shade Universal Taupe. I actually wanted the darker colors, but they didn't have it in stock, so this is what I have to work with. So the color to me is a little bit light, and I definitely need an eyebrow pencil to shape my brows. I love this spoolie, by the way. This is very thin. I think the hold is very soft too, maybe a medium. It's definitely neutral toned and it doesn't really match my eyebrows, so hopefully I could get a black shade soon. But for now, I'm going to use the Sephora eyebrow pencil to fill in the sparse areas. Next is the Daydream Cushion Foundation. I have the shade Sweet Secret, and this is intended for medium to tan skin tones. I am a light to medium skin tone generally, so this was a surprise that I was a medium to tan in this line. Okay, this is one layer of the foundation. I love this shade because this is literally my shade. I have a neutral golden undertone, and that is very difficult to find foundations that cater to my skin tone. That is why I love M Cosmetics. It's an Asian brand, so I'm pretty sure she knows a lot of Asian skin undertone. And applying it with the thingy, what is this called? It's not a poof because it's not poofy. It applied it very seamlessly. I'm looking in the mirror just to catch a lot of weird unevenness. I don't see that. I did apply it to my eyelids. I shouldn't have done that, but it just looks so seamless. Overall, I do think it covered up my redness very well. I do still see something right here, but I usually use concealer for that. Add a little bit of this in the inner parts of my under eye. This is the Rare Beauty Brightener Concealer, and I have this in the shade Light Medium. Okay, now I'm gonna set the face. I'm gonna use the Floris's Peach Powder. Just go like this, and it comes to your poofy thing. This is called the Gorgeous Peach Blossom Powder. Next, it is the Sculpting Bronzer Powder. I have this in the shade Slip, and this is described as a neutral or cool. Actually, I cannot remember. And this color is very close to my skin tone. This powder is a very soft powder. That was super easy to blend, and I really do like this shade. And the thing, it looks very light, but once you put it on your skin, it looks so good. Next, it is the blush. This is called the Heaven's Glow, and I have this in the shade Magic Hour. This blush is so nice. Next is the highlighter. This is called the Sunscape Highlighter, and I have this in the shade Clarity. This is the lightest shade out of all of them. And oh my gosh, it looks so gorgeous. So that blush does have a glow on its own, and you don't need a highlighter with it if you don't want to. but since I just got all this stuff, I am trying it and I need to know my thoughts. Alright, now it is time for the eyeshadow. I am so excited to try this. This is the Divine Skies eyeshadow palette and I have this in Magic Hour. Peachy pinks are definitely my color. I love it. It's the colors that I gravitate towards too. I will be using Sunset for my crease shade. I mean, just look at that pigment. This was one tap, you guys. Next, I'm going to use the shade Phoenix for the outer half of my crease. I'm going to use this blending brush right here to just blend a little bit more without adding more color. I'm going to use the shade Terra. This is a beautiful brown. It looks like a neutral brown. I'm going to apply this in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm gonna bring that a little bit to the inner part right here, just in the socket area. Going back with my blending brush, just soften this part right here. Now I'm gonna check out the shade Radiant. I'm gonna apply that in the outer third of my lid. That shimmer just covered up the shade that was on the outer corner of my eyes. And put it back right here to give me my depth. Now we're gonna check out Magic Hour. I'm gonna apply that in the inner half of my lid. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Heavenly for my inner corner and brow bone. I am blown away by this so far. Now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I am gonna use the dark shade, the brown shade. And then I'm gonna head over to the Phoenix shade again right here. Now I'm going to use the Magic Hour for that leftover spot right there. Now I'm going to take this brush and then I am going to bring this light shimmery shade and bring this all across here while blending the other colors at the same time. This is the mascara, but I'm going to put an eyeliner before I do that. Now let's try the mascara. I love this purple shade in the packaging, by the way. Okay, so I did 2 coats of the mascara and this is how it looks like. I love how the lower lash lines look, and I can't really see it from the top part, but it looks very... Okay, I must say this mascara is definitely lengthening. When I look in the mirror, it looks so good. Next, we have the lip liner. I have this in the shade Bunny. I love the name because I have a bunny, and this is a beautiful pink shade. This lip liner is called the Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, my lips are so dry right now. It feels so weird, but this glided on the dry parts well. Like, I don't see anything clinging to it. Next, we have the Soft Spoken Liquid Lipstick. This is like cloud lipstick, right? And I have this in the shade Tender. Oh my gosh, that is the same shade as the lip liner. Okay, we are done. We are finished, and this is the result. You guys, I am really loving the turnout of this makeup look. This is so gorgeous. This is like sophisticated, this is also casual, and this is also fun. Do I recommend M Cosmetics? Yes! Okay, I really do recommend this brand. This is so nice. I don't know why it took me so long to try the makeup. I do have like the cushion for years and I love it, but I don't know why I've never tried like everything else, you know. Now I really want to try the serum blush because I know that is popular. Now it's your turn. Let's talk. Have you tried M Cosmetics? If so, what is your favorite product out of her whole line? And I wouldn't hate it if you would recommend me something else to try that you think I should definitely try. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. Here's a full face using all Charlotte Tilbury products. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.